Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So finally, we hear some rumors of a brand new Panasonic camera. In this case, this is the Panasonic S5, which is basically a baby or smaller version of the Panasonic S1 that is going to be an entry-level full-frame camera from Panasonic. And so this is going to be very exciting, especially considering all the competition that's out with the Canon R5, R6, and it just recently announced Sony a7S III. So let's quickly go over the main stuff that this camera offers. Full frame 24 megapixel camera, 14 stops of dynamic range, a ton of video features, which we should come to expect from Panasonic. Okay, lots of cool stuff here, but let's go down to the most important spec. Oh crap. It's going to be using their contrast-based DFD, definitely focus, autofocus system. Whoa. Panasonic, it's completely game over for them. Why in the world would they release a brand new camera, especially considering what the competition is offering with their absolutely horrible, unreliable DFD autofocus system, especially if you're going to be a video-centric camera? Oh, come on, Panasonic. This was their chance. I was really hoping that Panasonic was going to do something different, whether it was this camera or the Panasonic GH6, which I think a lot of people, myself included, being a Panasonic G85 owner, was really waiting for. But now that they've announced this potentially brand new camera soon, probably early September officially, they pretty much have no chance now. And they're going to be releasing this around the probably $1,300 to $1,700 price range. And at that price point, you get cameras that's going to offer you pretty much the same or better video features. And most importantly, every manufacturer is going to provide better autofocus than what Panasonic is providing. Man, this is a shame. And now that I've seen this, it gives me absolutely no hope that their Panasonic GH6 is going to be using a brand new or improved autofocus system. And I really don't know what Panasonic is thinking, because if they are going to be releasing this and they're thinking, you know, their video features, their flippy screen, their in-body stabilization, all that other stuff is going to really save them or be a differentiator, well, it really isn't anymore, because the other manufacturers like Canon, Sony, Fuji, they've already caught up to them. And I really feel the next big step is Sony is going to release a entry-level full-frame version of their Sony a7S III flagship camera. And once they do that, they're pretty much going to obliterate Panasonic. For all your email management needs, check out Aweber, the preferred choice news at geekoutdoors.com. Sign up today and get a 30-day free trial. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And I'm pretty sure Canon is going to do something about their overheating issues. So around that price point, you could get a Canon R6. And at this point, if you actually look where Panasonic is at with market share, so back in 2019, they have the 5th position, now that Olympus is pretty much out of the game. And so if they were to release a camera with really great, reliable autofocus, I could easily see them moving up really fast. Maybe not to the number 2 or number 1, but definitely the number 3. But because they're so stubborn and really want to stick with their contrast-based autofocus DFD system, they're pretty much going to be left in the dust. And me being a Panasonic owner, I don't think I'm going to get another Panasonic camera, because specifically what I use it for is video. And now, more and more, I'm going to be looking towards either a Sony camera, probably not their flagship one because that costs a ton of money, but maybe whenever they release a lower end model, or even the Canon R6 if they could fix their autofocus problems. So that's unfortunately bad news for anybody who was hoping for something more. And whenever they release this S5, you know, I don't want to wish bad on the company, but considering that they're not offering anything better than the competition, they're probably going to get really low sales. And I hope that Panasonic gets the message that people do not want your video-centric cameras, which does a lot of amazing things, to come with absolutely horrible, unreliable autofocus for video. So those are my thoughts and pretty much rant on this unofficial announcement of the Panasonic S5. Hopefully all these rumors are correct, except for this one. Maybe Panasonic will surprise us, but looking at the past history, I kind of doubt it. So if you actually had any thoughts on this shocking and maybe unshocking news, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you want to see more of my camera thoughts and tips, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.